Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Chevy, GMC, or Buick key fob. Even if your key fob doesn't look exactly like this, it's going to be the same process. So let's jump into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is pull the key out. And what I like is all the tools are included. You're just going to stick it right here, pull this back, use your fingers, pop it out. Once you get the back off, same thing, you're going to take the key, stick it underneath the battery. It's going to pop the battery out. Like I said, all the tools are included to do this. Grab a new battery, slide it in there, and this part might be the hardest part, getting the cover back on. The best way to do it is start at the bottom, clip the bottom in first, and move your way on up. Once you get that clipped in, you can put the key back in, just slide it down till it clicks, and then you can test it out. You can try to start it, you can pop your hood or trunk or whatever open, try the horn, lock it, unlock it, whatever you need to do. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you all next time.